How to find Cash App account and routing number. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can easily find your Cash App account and routing number. For this, you don't even have to check your statements or your recent purchases to find your account and routing number. You can directly find it on Cash App. You just have to tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. And once you tap on it, you'll get to the banking section. So here on the bottom left corner, you'll find the banking section. Just tap on it and you'll find your balance. Once you get here, you can find your account as well as your routing number. Right below, you can see the add cash and cash out. You can just tap on it to expand it more and you'll be able to see your account as well as your routing number that's connected to your bank. And if you have multiple accounts or multiple banks connected or cards, you can tap on individual cards for you to see your account as well as routing number. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.